In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft SharePoint, how to remove permissions in a hurry. Whether you need to lock down a single file fast or tighten access across an entire site, I'll walk you through the quickest, most reliable clicks to get it done safely. Start by opening SharePoint in your browser and signing in with your work account. From your SharePoint home, head to the specific site that contains the content you want to secure. Once you're on the site, go to the Documents library. This is where most files and folders live. Decide whether you're securing a single file or an entire folder. Remember, removing access from a folder affects everything inside it, so choose carefully. Click once to select the item so you can manage its permissions. With the item selected, open the ellipsis menu, the three dots next to the file or folder name, and choose Manage Access. A panel opens on the right showing who has access and which sharing links exist. If you need an immediate sweeping reset, use Stop Sharing at the top of this panel. This instantly removes all shared links and any direct access that was granted. If a confirmation appears, accept it. This is the fastest way to cut off access in a hurry, and you can always reshare later if needed. If you prefer to be more selective, stay in the same panel. Go to the link section and click the X next to any link you want to disable. That revokes the link immediately. Below, you can see people who have direct access. Use the drop-down next to a person's name to remove their access on the spot. This is ideal when you only need to revoke a few entries without touching everyone else. If your goal is to change who can reach the entire site, use the site level controls, click the gear icon in the top right, choose Site Permissions, and then open Advanced Permission Settings. This takes you to the classic permissions page. Here, select the user or group you want to remove and then click Remove User Permissions on the ribbon. Be cautious. Removing someone here affects their access across the whole site, including libraries, lists, and pages. To recap, use Manage Access and Stop Sharing to quickly reset a file or folder, remove specific links or individuals for precision, and use the Site Permissions pages when you need broad changes. Act carefully, confirm your choices, and reshare only what's necessary to keep your content secure.